Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Tesla Model S key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a new CR2032 coin cell battery, and a small flathead screwdriver. It is important to work on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratching your key fob. This simple process will ensure your key fob functions reliably, restoring full access to your vehicle with ease. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small seam running along the side of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing or internal components. The halves should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it from its slot, noting its orientation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring it is securely closed. After replacing the battery, it is crucial to test your key fob immediately. Check all functions, such as locking, unlocking, and opening the trunk, to ensure everything works correctly. Your Tesla should respond promptly to all commands. If you encounter any issues, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the fob is fully closed. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.